So guys, welcome back to the channel, Cumbrian Homestead. Woody here. Today is the last day of August and this morning I'm going to make a batch of slow oven roasted tomatoes using these fantastic Crimson Crush. I'll just move those to one side. So we've just got a baking sheet here lined with some parchment paper. And then here you've just got mixed herbs, extra virgin olive oil, some balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper. That's pretty much it. So I'm going to just cut them in half now. And then just put them cut side up onto the parchment paper. Now we just season well. Pepper on first, ground black pepper. Now, good sprinkling of salt, plenty on. Now on with some mixed herbs. And now some extra virgin olive oil. Just drizzle over it. Now the balsamic. You could put on some crushed garlic, you could also put on a little sprinkling of caster sugar, but I'm just going to make do with that. I've got the oven on 120 degrees C on fan, and I'm going to put them in the oven now for about 6 hours. Okay, so it's been about 6 hours. The smell is absolutely incredible. I can't resist just trying a smaller one. Oh, what can I say? Absolutely outstanding. So all I'm going to do is just transfer them onto that Pyrex plate and then let them cool, and then we can put them in a tub, you know, and say they'll keep in the fridge for probably a good 3 weeks, I would think, but we're going through them pretty fast, and I've given quite a few away to friends and family as well. So oops, there we go, and then just make sure that you don't waste any of that oil. Just pour it over them. That's it, guys. homemade slow oven roasted tomatoes. Absolutely wonderful. Okay, thanks for watching.